Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing another episode of What to Do In, and today I'm in Chennai, India. So as is with this series, I like to start off with what not to do in. So basically, if you don't like spicy foods, stay away from them over here. A lot of the Indian cuisines are very spicy. They use all these different spices to get these aromatic scents and to bring out the flavor. But if you're not used to spicy food, avoid it, or you're gonna have a horrible time the next day with ring burn and many other things that I don't want to describe. So let's kick it off with the 5 things to do in Chennai. So just before I start with this list, just to let you know, as you walk into the airport, you already notice this is a very spiritual place. There's tons of shrines and things in the actual airport as you're walking through. So that is the setting for Chennai, and that's basically what you're going to be doing while you're over here. So first on my list is Kapaleeshwar Temple. This temple is a shrine to the god Shiva, and it is very beautiful to actually look at, and the architecture styling is very spectacular. So this actual temple is quite old. It was built in between 1491 to 1572, so it's been around for a long time. What you can do there's 6 daily rituals to watch, and if you come at the right time of the year, there's 4 yearly festivals, which is also something that's a once in a lifetime experience. So I would recommend coming during that time. So number 2 on my list is the Shirdi Sai Baba Temple. So Shirdi Sai Baba was an Indian saint, and he was a spiritual master. So he basically had his own beliefs, and a lot of the Indian culture followed that, and that's why they built this temple in recognition of him. At this actual temple, you've got a cultural hall where you can learn a bit more about it. You also got a meditation room where you can find your inner Zen. So like with most temples in India, it's very beautiful architecture, so definitely check it out. So number 3 on my list is the Sri Parthasarathy Temple. I know this is a lot of temples again, same with when I did the video in Sri Lanka, but they are so magnificent to see, and this one is actually one of the oldest buildings in Chennai. This was built during the 8th century, so you know it's very old and it's beautiful to actually look at. They actually had a name for it, which they had to change because the Brits couldn't pronounce it, so they changed it to Triplicane, and this was dedicated to the god Krishna. So definitely go check it out, look at the architecture, yeah. Number 4 on my list is the Madras Crocodile Bank. So this was started off with a more serious conservation viewpoint, but then eventually it started progressing, and more families and kids could come look it out. And basically this also is very good for people who are into herpetology, but at the same time it's a fun place for kids and families to come on the weekend. So besides for seeing massive crocodiles, there's also a daily venom extracting show where you can see how they extract venom, what the uses of it are, and yeah, just see many other different snakes as well at this conservation. Number 5 on my list, and last but not least, is the Besant Nagar beach. So this beach is one of the more well-maintained beaches in Chennai. When you walk in there, you'll see a lot of couples and that, because it's a nice place. You can go for dinner, you can have just a very romantic, relaxing walk. There's tons of stores close by, there's tons of food stalls, so just go there, have a good day, go relax on the beach, and go with your significant other. So that has been my list of what to do in Chennai, India. Until next time, peace.